Creating and closing tickets in Payanywhere. To enable tickets and tabs in Retail theme, head to Settings. Tap Tickets. Toggle Enable Tickets to On. Here, you can create custom tags to help quickly identify a customer or a ticket. Enter an identifier name, then tap Add. To create a ticket, select Items or add an express item and tap Create Ticket. Enter a ticket name, optional note, and select an optional identifier. Insert a card to start a tab. Enable the Print Ticket option if you have a printer connected and would like to print the ticket. Tap Create Ticket. View your open tickets and tabs by tapping the Tickets icon. Click on a ticket to edit, or swipe left to close or delete the ticket. To close a ticket, tap Close, and follow the checkout process to complete the transaction.